Hi and welcome to Food and Magic. As the mango season has just started, let's make mango lava cupcakes. These are very easy to make and are real eye catchers. I will first bake these cupcakes and share all the tips to decorate them as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I've taken 100 ml of milk at room temperature. And to this I will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and stir it well. Immediately the milk will start to curdle. Leave it aside for 10 minutes. Next, in a big bowl, take 80 ml of odorless oil. Here I have used refined sunflower oil. And to this add half a cup of sugar and whisk this for 5 minutes till the sugar dissolves. You can take powdered sugar too or caster sugar. After 2 minutes, I will add heaped tablespoon of milk powder and the curdled milk that we kept aside. Whisk this for about 5 minutes till the sugar dissolves completely. As I am making mango cupcakes, here I will add 5 to 6 drops of mango essence. If you make vanilla cupcakes, add vanilla essence. Now I will sift in the dry ingredients. I have taken 1 and 1/4 cup of maida. To this add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And sift this well. Have you ever wondered why the dry ingredients are sifted? It's done basically to incorporate air and make the cake lighter. Also, this helps to understand whether the maida is clean without any dirt and that the baking powder and the baking soda mix well. In my childhood, my mom would make me sieve these dry ingredients thrice by spreading a newspaper on the table. If you want to, you can sieve this thrice and then mix it with the wet ingredients. This batter has mixed well. Remember not to overmix it. Let's pour it into the cupcake molds. Sorry, the clipping got deleted. Here I have filled the molds and I will bake these at 180 degrees for 35 minutes. One point to remember is that fill the molds only till half as they will puff up. And here these cupcakes are baked and I will leave them to cool down for at least 4 to 5 hours. They look perfect and the aroma is just awesome. These have cooled completely. Let's fill them up with mango. With a nozzle, I'm going to make a hole in the center to fill up the mango puree. Here I've taken Alfonso mango pulp. I just love the taste of Alfonso. You can also take fresh mango pulp too. Using any nozzle that you have, make a hole in the center. Keep turning the nozzle and go deep into the cake. With the back of the spoon, make the cavity and fill in 1 teaspoon of mango puree and then close the hole with the cake. Repeat the same process for all the cupcakes. It's quite fun to do this. Here I filled all of these. Now let's decorate them. Here I am using deep yellow color in whipped cream and the nozzle number is 1M. First I will show you 3 in detail and make the others similarly. I am going to make 2 rosettes overlapping each other. In this way I will decorate all others and then make the design with the other color. This is nozzle number 2D and I am using just a drop of lemon yellow color in the whipped cream. I will type out the flowers on the side. I would like to share a tip is that as the summers have started, always prepare little cream as it melts with the heat of the hand, and then you will not get proper design. So do remember these small things. Repeat the same for all the cupcakes. Though we have the same design for all the cupcakes, but yet they look a little different as they are different in size a little bit. Also, you can choose your own color scheme and make the boring cupcakes into interesting ones. If you're liking my video, do press the like button given below. Here to add contrast, I am using green color to make the leaves. To obtain this green color, I have used a combination of forest green and leaf green along with the leaf nozzle. To make perfect leaves, remember to take soft cream to get the tip of the leaf. If the cream is stiff, the tip will break. Also, if you have any queries, do write in the comment box given below. I had made a complete rosette for the center cupcake. Let's make its leaves too. And here our pretty mango lava cupcakes are ready. And they smell so much of mango. So do try them at home, and if you like my video, do press the like button given below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.